Hi everyone, welcome to docx. In today's video, we'll show you how to repair and recover a corrupted Word file on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. First, open Microsoft Word on your PC. Now, click on the File menu in the top left corner. In the File menu, click this Open tab. Here, click on Browse. In this window, find and select the corrupted Word file you want to repair, but don't open it. At the bottom of the File Explorer window, next to the Open button, you will see a small drop-down arrow. Click this drop-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Open and Repair. This will prompt Word to attempt an automatic repair of the file. Wait for a few seconds and Word should open the corrupted file. You should then copy its contents to a new Word document to avoid losing your work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.